We are going to be talking about DeFi on Kava. Originally had some more content planned around our AI product map as well, but unfortunately with the weather situation, our CEO couldn't make it, so we'll be just speaking on the DeFi piece here today. So what is Kava? Kava has been around for about 5 years now. It started out as a Binance IEO in 2019, and in 2020 was actually the Binance Launchpad Project of the Year, launched by Binance. So Kava started out as our own DeFi protocols on the Cosmos SDK with our own lending protocol, DEX, and CDP. Last year, we decided to launch an EVM chain on the Cosmos SDK, and that's what makes Kava unique, is that it is a layer 1 EVM that's built on top of the Cosmos, which allows seamless native integration between Ethereum and the Cosmos ecosystems. It's one of the few chains that does this, and that is what makes it unique. So Kava has had a deep relationship and integration with Binance since our start. Recently, we launched or did an integration with Binance to have Kava EVM as a direct on and off ramp on Binance, which enables us to tap into the largest centralized distribution partner in crypto. Why is this important? Well, something the team has been working on is a native integration with Tether to have USDT natively minted on Kava EVM. And the reason why Tether did that was to select Kava. Well, Tether selected Kava as the native distributor of USDT on the Cosmos. So if you want USDT natively on the Cosmos, you're going to have to get it through Kava as the native liquidity hub. Aside from Tether, BitGo also selected Kava as the native distributor of WBTC across the Cosmos. So those have been two major wins for the ecosystem, along with the integration with Binance with Kava EVM. What that's going to allow users to have is it's going to allow Binance users to directly move those assets onto Kava and eventually on the Cosmos as well, opening up a lot of liquidity between those ecosystems. So to date, we've had native USDT on Kava for about 5-6 months now, and there's a total of 160 million USDT minted on the chain. Recently just did the integration with BitGo for WBTC natively. Can anyone guess how many chains there are that have both USDT and WBTC integrated natively on the chain? One. It's pretty good, pretty close. So there's only actually 2 other chains that have done this, and it's Ethereum and Tron. So yeah, these are pretty big and significant integrations. And so aside from that, Kava is the only chain out of those 3 that has a native integration to the Cosmos. So we're really positioning ourselves as a native liquidity hub for these assets to flow from the largest centralized distribution channels across to the Cosmos. On the DeFi side, we were the first ones to create a bridge between Binance Chain and Kava, which allowed $2.5 billion of assets to flow between those 2 ecosystems. With the deprecation of the original Binance chain, we're actually redoing that bridge and opening that up to the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem, again opening up liquidity for those native assets, which BSC currently does not have. Just some stats you can see on this side. We are the 5th largest chain as far as native USDT issuance, obviously the largest stablecoin out there. 8th largest ecosystem by number of dApps deployed, over 100 dApps deployed, DeFi dApps deployed on the Kava EVM. We did a pretty good job of managing our treasury over the last bear market. currently around 400 million of Kava in our treasury. Again, 1 out of 3 chains with native USDC and WBTC issuance, and very low transaction costs. So yeah, if you're bullish on both Ethereum and the Cosmos, Kava, we think is going to be a major infrastructure play in the future. Here you can see some of our partners and some of the dApps that we have deployed on our ecosystem. The DeFi ecosystem is continuing to grow. TVL is continuing to grow, and continuing to increase liquidity of those native assets on our chain. So yeah, Kava is really a chain that's focused on building native liquidity, native dApps, deploying and enabling infrastructure between Cosmos and Ethereum ecosystems, creating the back-end infrastructure for assets to flow seamlessly between Ethereum and the Cosmos, whether that's via centralized exchanges or on DeFi. Okay, so no AI today, but yep, that's it for the talk. Thank you guys. Appreciate your time today.